Did you grab a knife? Do we need... Never mind. And with that, hello!
Hey everybody!
Hello!
You sound like Mrs. Doubtfire.
Me?
Alright, we are here in December opening up our Boxycharm.
I can't get my little things to flap back in. Okay.
If you do not know, Boxycharm is a subscription box. It's $21 a month. It's full of makeup and beauty products. I think Brittany needs to go potty. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It's $21 a month. It comes filled with makeup and beauty products of the full size variety. You make a profile just like you would with Ipsy, and everyone gets like essentially the same things. There's some variants, and so you know.
Like last month we got the same lipstick but 2 different shades.
And then we got the same brushes, but I do know there's a different variant of the brushes packs. We got eyeshadow brushes.
I didn't know that.
There's a face brush you could have gotten instead of a couple of face brushes.
Oh, okay.
So things like that. There's a little different variants. Anyways, we're gonna open them now.
Yeah.
Mine's...
Should we do the big box?
Yes.
Be
Okay.
fearless, be limitless. What
Blush
is it?
kit.
I need blush.
It's by Real Her.
Oh, it's all packaged up. I can't open it. I can't
open it. I think there's an axe over there. So I opened my FabFitFun box. Cooper, open this.
Cooper, go fetch a knife.
Go get a knife. Go get it. Shake. Good boy.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Thank you.
Had to use a knife, but I eventually got it. So these are the shades. We got like a nice pinky one that has a little bit of a glow to it. This peach one. And then this more browny glittery shade. From the top it's Fearless, Limitless, and Unstoppable. These are really pretty.
They are really pretty.
Kind
I
of.
don't want to swatch them. Do they smell?
No. What I like about this shade is because it has like that glitter in it. It like works as a blush and highlighter. If you don't want to use like too much highlighter, you can just use that blush and you'll get a nice little natural glow.
Has a little mirror in it too then.
Yeah, and then these are kind of the shades I more so gravitate. The middle one, the peachy one.
Yeah, and it's
the
a
matte
nice
one.
color too.
I don't know if I'll use this one too much. I don't know if that's supposed to be like a bronzery
I know.
shade.
Like I might try it just if I don't have anywhere to be.
Yeah.
Just to see.
Yeah.
Yay! What's next?
Peace?
Which one? Yeah.
Oh. What, are you gonna give a mascara junkie?
I'm so excited. Oh.
More mascara.
So it's Tarte. How do you say the
Tartist?
Tartist?
Tartist? Tartist?
Tartist?
I have not tried this mascara yet, out of the thousands that I have. I've heard it's really good though.
It looks nice.
Yeah, I'm really excited to add to my mascara.
Like this is really nice mascara. It's a really nice brand, and I'm very pleased with this because I know this is probably 21 bucks in and of itself.
Oh yeah, definitely, at least.
At least.
But yeah, Tarte's one of my favorite makeup brands. I do have their Lights Camera Lashes mascara, which I really enjoy, and I've heard amazing things about this one as well. And I'm a mascara junkie, so I will use this.
I'm sorry. I needed mascara, so really help me. I've been using a sample that I got in the mail. Okay, yeah. Because it's like...
It's bubble wrapped, and you know what I say about bubble wrap?
What do you say about bubble wrap?
If it's bubble wrapped, it must be pretty good.
Okay.
This is
Vintage Illuminating Face Highlighter.
by Jessica Liebeskin.
I was going to leave that pronunciation up to you. How do you open it?
I don't know, but why is everything so difficult? The packaging's really nice. It's really heavy.
It is.
Ooh, that's not the color I was expecting. I don't know why, because it literally has roses on the box.
Gotcha.
Does it have a shade name on it? Rose gold, which is very appropriate because it's Rose gold. My God, you're pathetic.
That's really pretty.
It is really pretty.
Oh, I don't have any clean skin. Ooh,
Take a
that's
shower.
pretty.
Dude, that is really pretty.
I kind of want to use this as like a eyeshadow too.
That would be, it would be a good eyeshadow or like a topper or something. That's
really pretty. Okay, Vintage by Jessica Liebskind.
Liebskind. Alright, I'll see you.
I approve. Okay.
This is by Makeup Geek, which I don't have anything, nor have I ever tried anything about Makeup Geek. I think it's a
What is it though?
lipstick, probably. Yeah.
Oh. Ooh. It's definitely a different shade than I am.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Brown. It is.
But it's like
do we have the same?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
wait, do we?
I don't know.
It doesn't have a name on it. Yeah, I think it's the same.
Yeah, it just looks different because of our skin tone.
Where's the sheet things? Does it say on here?
I don't know.
The Makeup Geek Showstopper Cream Stain.
Stains.
Yeah, so that's all it says
That's
about
all
it.
says.
Don't know the shade name.
It's like this
Smells good.
It does smell good.
Yeah.
Like this mauve brownie, kind of purpley undertones. It looks different on your skin than mine.
Those are different skin tones. You're paler.
I am.
Okay,
It's fine.
last
Is
item.
this last one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Beauty Basics, but it's like
I
a
think
play.
it's
Beauty. But there's
Beaut.
there's a thing though. So,
Beauty. It's probably Beauty Basics.
yeah, like I said.
Well, you said like beauty.
No, I said beauty, and then I was gonna say it's like a play on words because instead of with a Y, it just has the apostrophe.
You
You never let me finish my sentence.
I'm sorry. I love you. Oh, bronze.
Bronze Essentials.
Beauty Basics.
Beauty
Whoa,
Basics. What?
that's different.
It's like a bronzer, but it's striped.
I can't even. That's not an angle. Let me try that again.
It's stripes. So it has like gold
Yeah.
shimmering stripes, and then like the bronzy shades. I don't understand if
Do you just like blue and then blue, or do you like dot 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 dot?
I don't know, maybe.
They're pretty though. So it's like this roll.
You want to try that again?
Yes. There's like gold stripes in the middle, which is a really pretty shades. What just happened? Where's this music coming from?
It's the clock.
Oh. You have a cuckoo clock or
It's
something?
a Christmas clock. While that's going off, I'm gonna read what this says. Okay, so I just read the thing while the clock was going off, and you can use these individually or you can mix them for whatever you're wanting. So if you are wanting the lighter one, which are on the outside, you can. If you want the darker one, you can. If you want to add a little glowy glow, you can just swipe down the middle and get all of it.
And like the darker one too, they're the ones that aren't gold, they look pretty matted, so you can kind of use this as a contour a little bit too. Use the dark one. I mean, it's contour for me, but
Yeah.
for my pale skin.
For pasty. I'm pasty too, so I have no right to talk, but I'm a little bit darker.
a little bit, especially in the summer.
Yeah, because
'Cause
I
I just-
tan a lot easier. You don't. You just reflect this on.
Well, no, I burn and then I go back to being.
She's up.
Screw you. I actually tanned this summer.
That is true. You got
did.
tan lines.
So
Okay, so that was everything in our December Boxycharm boxes. This is usually the part where we would pick our favorite, but I'm honestly just so excited about everything that I can't really pick a favorite.
Yeah, it's good this month. It's good.
It's a good one.
It's a good one.
Not disappointed.
No.
I quickly tallied it up, and so for the $21 we spent on this box, it was $139 worth of product.
Yes.
Well, that's what the
Yeah.
$139.
Yeah.
No ish about it.
There's no ish?
No ish about it.
Oh. Okay, well, that's
Anyways.
exciting.
Okay.
I love it.
This is the last time I'll be recording with Tori throughout the month of December, so until next year. So now I will wish you a Merry Christmas
Merry Christmas.
and Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas to all.
And to all a good night.